These are my original halogen headlights, and while nothing's wrong with them, I find them a little too dim. After a recent encounter with a deer, I decided to upgrade them. Today, I'll show you how I turned this into this for just $35. And so this is what you get. You get two lights, 25 watt each, with 6 LED chips. Manufacturer claims that they produce 8,000 lumens per two lights. So that's 4,000 lumens each. They're nicely constructed. They feel solid. There are no moving parts, no fans. You just get a light, a heatsink, and a cable. The whole thing feels like a brand new shiny toy that you're about to install in your car. The heatsink is solid aluminum, very nicely made. Seems to be watertight. And then we get to instructions. Of course, nobody reads instructions. But this manufacturer produces several kinds of LED lights. I got H11. And it looks like instructions are different for different types of lights. But enough about that. Let's install them. Locate your low beam. And on the opposite side there's going to be a plug. Right there. Twist it. Push the pin to remove the cable. Like so. The LED chips are on the same spot as the spiral for halogen light, which is a good thing. That means the pattern will be the same as with halogen. Now all you gotta do is insert, twist, and plug the cable in. And that's it. Time to turn them on. Yay! And it doesn't work. Alright, back under the hood. Alright, turns out these lights care about positive and negative, and there is no indication on the cable. So all I had to do is unplug, turn, and plug back in. And voila, it works. And so we get before and after. As you see, there is no difference. Yeah, I can't tell the difference in brightness. The color is cool and the peripheral illumination seems to be better, but the brightness is about the same.